Thank you so much for the party favors. They are so cute.
I love them. We love them. Okay, this is what we have. We have chapstick, and the rest of these are holding some kind of little treat. Look at this. This is so cute. This is like a little wallet. Tic Tacs. Pringles. I had to put it down because I only had one hand. And then this one is so cute. It's a backpack. You know I've been in the military. That ain't probably why she did it, but listen. I absolutely love everything. Everything, Tangela. Thank you so much. You did such a great job. CCBAB is the name of my crafting group. And Tangela, who did these crafts, is one of the moderators of the group. That group is chock full of talent. Anytime I can't do a craft, don't know how to do a craft, don't have time, don't have the material, I go to that group. That group is chock full of craft and knowledge. Yes, this is a club for the group. We're trying to pick up the activity in the group, but y'all think I'm good? Baby, everybody in that group damn near better than me. So if you think I'm good, check out the folks in my group. And if you're a crafter, join the group. These are just some great things. I love it. If you would like to order some party favors from Tangela, here's her information. She has an Etsy shop. Check her out.